In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix login error on Microsoft Copilot. If Copilot is giving you trouble when you try to sign in, one of the quickest things you can do is reset the app from Windows settings. This can help clear temporary app data and fix common issues that stop the login screen from working properly. I'll walk you through the process slowly, so it's easy to follow. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will open the Start menu and allow you to search for apps and settings on your computer. If you're new to Windows troubleshooting, this search feature is often the fastest way to get directly to the option you need without clicking through multiple menus. Once the search bar is active, type Copilot. As you type, Windows should begin showing search results related to the Microsoft Copilot app. Make sure you're selecting the actual Copilot app result so you can access the right settings page. If you see several options, take a second to look carefully before clicking. Next, click App Settings. This will open the settings page specifically for the Copilot app. On this page, you'll find options related to how the app runs on your device, including repair and reset tools that are designed to fix problems like launch issues, crashes, or sign-in errors. After that, wait until the page is fully done loading. This part is important because some settings may not appear right away, especially on slower computers. If the page seems blank for a moment, just give it a few seconds. Let everything load completely before moving on so you don't miss the reset option. Now, scroll down until you find the reset section. When you see it, click Reset. Windows may take a moment to process this, and in some cases, you might be asked to confirm the action. The reset process restores the app to its default state, which often fixes login problems caused by corrupted cache data or a stuck app session. Keep in mind that resetting the app may remove app-specific data, so the app will behave like it's being opened fresh again. Once the reset is complete, reopen Microsoft Copilot and try signing in again. In many cases, this solves the login error right away. That's it for this tutorial. If you followed these steps carefully, you should now have a clean reset of Microsoft Copilot and a good chance of getting past the login issue.